If you want to share your screen from one device to another, follow the simple steps. So there are quite a lot of methods of doing this, but the first one is through our Power Mirror application. So open up your Play Store on both of the devices, press Search tab, and we gotta search for our Power Mirror. So search for it and install it. So as it is installed, already did, now press open on both devices. And now to activate it, simply press local cast, this big blue button on both of the devices. Also make sure that you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network and have a stable connection, because otherwise, let me show it to you that I'm connected to the same one, because otherwise it won't work properly. So, okay. Now choose which device is going to be the transmitter. For example, let it be this device. So on this device, tap on the other's device name and choose what you want to do. Reverse cast and control, or simply cast to the device. So for now, I'll show you the cast option. Tap on it and press Start Now. And basically that's it. Here we can choose whether we want to cast our system audio or not. So microphone, you can turn it off, you can put it to mute, you can switch to camera casting. Just like this, right? But I'll switch to screen casting. And you have your disconnect button. So as you see, it works great. Everything is being casted on the second phone. When you are done with your casting, simply you can close the application or you can open it and press disconnect. And like this, as you see, our phone has its free will now and not casting anything. And that's it for this method. So the second method is using your AirDroidCast. So once again, open up your Play Store, tap search on both of the phones and make sure to install AirDroidCast on both of the devices. Alright, as it is installed, simply press open. And now you'll see two options right here at the bottom, either to cast the screen or receive the screen. So choose which phone is going to be the casting, which phone is going to be receiving. So choose receive screen, and here you'll get a code or you'll get a QR code, right? So on your casting option, you can either enter this code manually or you can press on the QR code option and you can scan it with your phone. Now on your receiving device, you gotta press OK to confirm the casting request. Now give them a couple minutes. Once again, don't forget that you should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, otherwise this variant won't work. So now press Start. And as you see, we're successfully casting. So we have an option to share device audio, however, we have to give permissions for it. Let's do this. We can also, so now you have to choose whether accept sound or not. I'll press accept, press OK, press allow. Now, also you can turn on and turn off the microphone. I'm sorry for this. And you can turn off the sound completely. So as you see, it works greatly. It has some lag, right? But I mean, it's just a couple seconds. It's not a big deal. So when you're done with everything, simply go back to the application and press pause. To resume, press resume. If you want to stop it in general, tap on the cross at the top left corner. Now press OK. And the casting will stop. And that's it for this method. So, and the last option is a remote assistant via TeamViewer. So this option is not just about screen mirroring, but also about the remote control over some device. So on the controlling device, you gotta open up your Play Store, search tab, and we gotta install our TeamViewer remote control. Make sure to install this application. Now with our receiving phone, open up your Play Store, tap on your search tab, and here find TeamViewer Quick Support and make sure it's installed as well. Now press open. On your controlling device, you may need to verify your identity sometimes. So it depends on the privacy policy of this company, because I didn't have to do this, but in some variants you have to do this. So now let's imagine this is a situation. For example, you want to help up your elders, however, they're far away and you need to get the control over their device. So on the receiving device, locate this ID. This is our ID. You can press share it and share it via email or maybe some messenger. And on your controlling device, we have to enter this digits. So 981 240 235. All right, so we entered it. Let's press remote control. Now press verify user on your receiving device. Make sure to allow access. So check on this, I trust this person, and allow immediate access to my device. Press allow access. And now we are connected to our device. And this is a controlling device, so we can use our phone just as we like, right? So for example, let's delete some picture. Delete all, and as you see, it's getting actually deleted on this phone. And that's how it works. It's a really great and easy thing. So when you're done with your mission, right, with your screen sharing, simply press on this cross, confirm your choice by pressing close, and basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.